Many partnerships are governed by written partnership agreements. What happens if a partnership agreement conflicts with statutory partnership law? Does the law trump the agreement, or does the agreement override the law? We explore that question in the 1986 case, Pav-Saver Corporation versus Vasso Corporation. Pav-Saver Corporation and Vasso Corporation entered into a partnership for the manufacture and sale of paving machines. The partnership agreement provided that the parties intended the partnership to be permanent. It could only be terminated with the mutual consent of both parties. If one party wrongfully terminated the partnership, the other was entitled to liquidated damages. Pav-Saver granted the partnership an exclusive right to use its trademarks and patents for the duration of the partnership. Upon termination of the partnership, the parties' agreement expressly provided that the patents would be returned to Pav-Saver. Pav-Saver unilaterally terminated the partnership after a downturn in business. Vasso moved into the partnership's premises and took over the business's day-to-day operations. Pav-Saver filed suit against Vasso and sought both a court-ordered dissolution and the return of its patents and trademarks. Vasso counterclaimed and argued that Pav-Saver had wrongfully terminated the partnership. Therefore, Vasso sought liquidated damages and an order permitting it to continue the partnership business. The trial court found that Pav-Saver had wrongfully terminated the partnership. Accordingly, Vasso was entitled to liquidated damages. Vasso was also entitled to continue operating the business. Because Vasso needed Pav-Saver's patents and trademarks to do so, the court refused to enforce the provision of the partnership agreement that required the patents to be returned to Pav-Saver. Both parties appealed to the Illinois Court of Appeals.